rolling into a world of madness with idiots on wheels. Buckle up for a ride where every turn is an unexpected adventure. How did he manage to escape the car crash? Amazing driving skills. He will never drive close trucks, ever perhaps. Unexpected moves and the art of car thievery. Is that fungus on the seat covers? Casually walks away after getting his car wrecked. That is some quick braking skill. Sudden lane change denied, crashing into barriers instead. Talk about a traffic hurdle. What is he trying to do? Teamwork at its finest in driving. Surely not the best at his job. Sorry, can't let you pass first. This is what happens when you drive fast in fog. Reports say he's still trying to drive there. He realized late that it's not a game. The driver might get in trouble now. Not sure if they're trying to pull or push it in water. Not the best place to park, cause chaos for other driver. Did he really think he could make below it? Broken side mirror? No problem. This guy has a solution for it. Captain, we have a problem to deal with. Tetris champion in the world of cars, stacking them up for a ride. Nothing can stop the determination to get home, not even in this chaos. This incident took place in Bangladesh. From good driver to absolute chaos in seconds. Watch the transformation unfold. Hitting a traffic warden with your car? Prepare for a collision with legal consequences. One driver's unnecessary bash sends another into the barricades. Too strong to move. You can't take your eyes off in such driving situation. Mercedes-Benz glass so crisp, it shattered on a whole new level. Not sure if this is hailstorm or what.
Got fucking ECR. Whether or not, you know, something else. Oh my God! What the
That's why you always pull the handbrake. At least he gave the indicator. That's why you don't drive on snowy roads. How is this even possible? Ready for more jaw-dropping moments? Subscribe now for a weekly dose of idiots on wheels and join the laughter on the road.